900 nga lang ba ang na-save namin for the first month using our PV solar system? Sagutin natin yan in this video. Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. To start with, hindi po 900 lang ang na-save namin. Mali lang ang computation ni Inday. Kung ikaw ay bago sa aming channel, please watch our part 1, part 2, and part 3 kung saan makikita nyo kung paano namin sinetup ang mga panels, ang electrical works, and ang aming nagastos para sa project na ito. So again, ito po ay 100% DIY setup. Kami po mismo ang nag-install. This video is connected lahat doon, kaya i-watch nyo para ma-appreciate nyo ang kwento ko today. So halos more than a month na ang aming PV solar system. Now, nasa part na kami ng katotohanan. Realidad kung talaga bang makakasave kami sa aming kuryente kapag meron na kaming solar. So let us start with our previous bills. I'm going to show you yung bills namin ng May, June, and July para lang you'll have an idea kung how much and ano ba yung pattern ng usage namin. Para lang meron tayong comparison, yung month ng May and June, wala pa tayong nai-install na solar panels. So this is the usual usage namin for a month. Nag-range siya ng mga from 5,000 to 8,000. Yung kilowatt hour naman, mga 400 to 600 kilowatt hour per month. Yung amount, depende yan sa kilowatt rate ni Meralco. Come July billing, here naka-install na kami ng panels noong June 27. And na-install naman ang aming battery ng June 30. So for July billing, mga 20 days lang naka-up ang aming PV solar system. Hindi pa siya full cycle ng aming billing coverage. And yet, for that 20 days, we were able to save 2,825. O, paano naging 2,825 ang aming na-save? So, kinuha ko siya sa PV panel harvest data sa Solis Cloud app. So, inisa-isa ko siya since hindi ko ma-display ang specific dates, which is yung coverage ng Meralco namin from June 12 to July 11. So, I add up all the data from June 12 to July 11 and nakapag-generate ang aming panels ng 220.90. And then, multiply ko siya to the Meralco rate per kilowatt hour, which is 12.79. So, let us just say walang na-generate yung ating PV panels. So, supposedly, ang ibibill ni Meralco is yung 220.90 plus the 467, and that is equivalent to around 8,796 pesos. So, kung wala pa kaming panels nung time na yan, nasa 8,000 pa ang aming bill. So, kahit 20 days pa lang running ang aming solar, malaki na for me yung savings na yan. Here comes August. Ito na yung pinaka-exciting part kasi ito yung full cycle ng aming electric bill. Meaning from July 12 to August 11, running na ang aming system. Yung buong buwan na yan, walang naging problem, walang sumabog, walang nag-overheat, walang nag-malfunction. I can say na successful ang aming DIY installation setup. Thank you kay Sir! Ayan, so for the month of August, nakasave kami ng 5,264. Tama na ba, Inday, ang computation mo? Yes! Kung papansinin nyo yung PV generated natin, na 450, Kapag in-add mo yan dun sa Meralco kilowatt hour consumption ng 139, nandun pa rin siya, pasok pa rin siya dun sa usual usage namin. Let me know in the comments kung mali pa rin si Inday, but I am happy with my August billing na 1,620. Kung i-total natin yung July and August savings natin, yung 2,800 plus 5,200, nasa around 8,000 pesos na siya. And dito nagtatapos ang maiksi kong kwento. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.